What's up YouTube? So today I'm going to show you my new set that I made myself, personally by me. So let me show you the guys. I made this guy up with the motorcycle. Let me just show you close. And this is, I couldn't find any other head, so I just used this. So that's the guy I used for the motorcycle. Let's take a look at the motorcycle. And so when I put these on, it just helps it stand. Look. Stand. And well, I guess I could try to do it without it. Yeah, but I can't go. Ooh. I can't even. It did it. Alright, so look at. I couldn't find any other motorcycle, so I just took my brother's Ghostbuster. Yeah. Oh, just to let you know, this my brother's. This my brother's. This my brother's. So let's have a look at Batman. It's pretty cool. This is from, this is from Batman vs. Superman. I should get Superman in this set, but I didn't. So there. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. The Dark Knight. The Dark Knight dance. The Dark Knight dance. The Dark Knight dance. Yeah, so here's Batman. This is his back. Not much detail. Let's take a look at his head. As I said, it's the same. So let's have a look at his mask. So it's the same. Oh, no. Well, I didn't get a guy for this. So this goes pretty well. This is one of the disguised police cars that I have. Oh my. So, well, this is actually the robber, but I say it's disguise. Pretty kind of drifty. So that's, do I have a guy in here? No, I have no guy in here and no guy in there. So let's have a look. As you can see on this side, it's a hook. Let me just. It can go down. So I just mashed these sets up. So what this? If it was the normal police, the police would go like this. So the robber car's going. It goes like this. Yes, that, oh my. So guys, that thing dinner with onions. Oh my god. So yeah, so that's what this is for. And finally, let's have a look at the police's car. Not much stuff is on it. Oh god, the cars are really easy. They only took like 2 bags. This has 4 bags in this for this set. Here's the police. I'll go get you, Batman. So let's show you how I would like to make a movie of this. So this is what would happen in it. Batman's running. Police are coming after him. Ducks. Police is coming after him. Bombs. This is going to be on autopilot, which is dumb. I win! No, you don't. So yeah. Thank you guys. Thank you very much for watching this Lego set that I made myself. See you guys later. Bye. Oh, check out my other videos, like and subscribe. Bye guys.